How to book hotels using Accor points. Want to turn your Accor points into free hotel nights? Let's walk you through the process. So step one, go ahead and open all.accor.com and then go ahead and sign in or sign up for an account on Accor. Now, once you have an account on All Accor, go ahead and enter where you want to travel, such as your destination or the hotel name that you want to book a night for. So go ahead and enter your destination here. For example, my destination is China. I'll simply enter China and then enter the dates when you arrive. So go ahead and select your arrival and departure date, and then go ahead and select the amount of room. So go ahead and set the amount of rooms, such as the amount of adults and children on each of the room, and then click on search to search for that accommodation. Now, go ahead and select an accommodation from the results. So you'll find a list of hotels where you can stay on the area. So you can go ahead and set the minimum and the maximum price range for the rooms. You can also use the filters at the left side of your screen for specific amenities that you're looking for. So for example, I want to book this hotel. I'll simply click on it. And then in here, go ahead and click on see the rooms, select a room, and then upon checkout, go ahead and apply your points. So for every 2,000 points, it is equal to 40 euros off your stay. So confirm your booking and you'll receive an email with all the details. Points give the best value when used for hotel stays. Keep your account active to avoid expiry. And that is how you can basically book hotels using Accor points.